Welcome to Mr. Chalk's Revision Tips. In this video, we will look at carbon monoxide, soot and sulfur dioxide. So, when we burn fossil fuels, they go and they make a range of pollutants, right? Some of the ones that they make are things like carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, pure carbon, which is soot. There's always a few unburnt hydrocarbons, sulfur dioxide and nitrous oxides. So, sulfur dioxide is a highly reactive gas that is relatively irritating to the respiratory system when you breathe it in, right? So it contributes to the formation of particulate matter in pollution. So some of the main problems that it can cause to breathing, so it narrows the airways, leading to wheezing and tightness and shortness of breath. You're more likely or more frequent to get asthma attacks for people who get asthma, and it causes cardiovascular diseases to become progressively worse. So we think about how this can be factored into a question. So copper can be extracted by the smelting of copper ores in a furnace. So the equation for one of these reactions is shown below. So explain why there would be an environmental problem if sulfur dioxide escaped into the atmosphere. So the other thing that sulfur dioxide causes is that it can cause acid rain, which can go on and kill fish, damage aquatic life, damage stonework and damage plants. Carbon monoxide, or CO, is a odourless, colourless gas which forms when carbon in fuels doesn't completely burn. So carbon monoxide can cause harmful health effects by reducing the amount of oxygen that the hemoglobin in the blood can carry. So you might get flu-like symptoms such as headache, you could get chest pains for people with coronary heart disease. At a high concentration, it can impair vision and alter coordination, and it can potentially have serious health effects on unborn babies when exposed to high levels. So, incomplete combustion of coal can produce carbon monoxide. So, carbon monoxide is a toxic gas. So, give 2 reasons why people may be unaware of the presence of carbon dioxide. So it's the fact that it's not easily detected, it's colourless and it is odourless. So what danger does carbon monoxide cause to the body? So the main one is that it bonds with hemoglobin, and because it's bonding with hemoglobin, it lowers the amount of oxygen that is being carried around. So particulate pollution comes from motor vehicles, burning woods, etc. Right, so there are some short-term and long-term effects. So short-term exposure is it can irritate the nose, the throat, the eyes. It can cause asthma to be worse. It can cause heart attacks if somebody's already got a pre-existing condition. And it increases in hospital admissions with premature death due to diseases of the respiratory and cardiovascular system. Some long-term effects can be reduced lung function, so it can cause things like emphysema. It increases the development of cardiovascular and respiratory diseases. It increases the rate of disease progression in lots of other diseases, and in general it reduces life expectancy. Thanks for watching.